Welcome back to Autistic Coder's LeetCode Foundations series. Today we're covering LeetCode problem number 2405, optimal partition of string. This problem was once part of Amazon's technical interview process, so this is a great problem to practice if you're applying for a software engineering role there. In this video, we'll explore an efficient JavaScript solution that solves this problem in O of n time complexity. The goal is to partition a string into the minimum number of substrings, ensuring that each character appears at most once per substring. One way to solve this problem is by trying all possible partitions and choosing the one with the fewest substrings. This means scanning through the string and manually checking every possible cut to ensure each substring has unique characters. Let's see how a brute force approach could be implemented in JavaScript. Now let's analyze the performance of the brute force approach. The time complexity is O of 2 to the nth power, since we check every possible substring split. This is impractical for large inputs. The space complexity is O of n, due to recursive function calls on the call stack. We can solve this problem efficiently using the two-pointer technique. We use two variables, start and end, representing the start and end of a substring. At first, each number is set to 0. We use an array to keep track of all the valid substrings. We increment end until either we reach the end of the string, or we detect a character that's in the substring that starts at start and ends at end, at which point we set start to end, push the substring to our array, and repeat unless and until start equals start s.length. Finally, we return the length of the array. Here's the JavaScript implementation of this solution. By using a two-pointer approach, we improve performance significantly. The time complexity is O of n, as each character is processed once. The space complexity is also O of n, since the worst case stores each character in a new substring. Compared to the brute force solution, this solution drastically reduces computations from exponential to linear time. We solved LeetCode problem number 2405, optimal partition of string, using two different solutions. Number one, a brute force technique which runs in exponential time, which is inefficient for large inputs. And number two, a two-pointer technique which runs in linear time, allowing efficient computation of substrings. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this problem, please let me know in the comments section of this video. And for more coding tutorials or other coding or neurodivergence related content, subscribe to Autistic Coder, and let's keep learning and growing together.